guys, I'm back with another video. This is the faux bun hack that you did not know you needed, okay? I'm working with freshly washed hair. My products are already in, and I'm just parting my hair into little boxes like you would for regular box braids. Now I only really care about the parts of my hair that are going to be visible when I pull it up. So like the very back of my hair, like the side edges of my hair, and like maybe like the first front 2 rows of my hair. But when I get to the middle, I just like free form sort of box-ish things. So yeah, because those are not going to be seen because the bun is going to be covering it. So as y'all know, I'm lazy, so I'm not even using a mirror to like check my parts. But I've also done this a couple times, so I kind of know where to part. But do what works for you. I twisted my whole head up and I'm going to let it dry. So I let my twist dry overnight before I started what I'm about to show you. I just like to work with dry hair better than wet hair. That's just me. This is the twist hair I use. They were $5.99 per pack. I only use 2 packs for this style. So you can see it, I'm just taking one of the little twist thingies and I'm about to attach it to my hair. I will link a good Senegalese twist tutorial below, just because I don't really show you how to do the twist, I just show you how to do the bun hack. So what you're gonna see is me just twisting my hair up with the fake hair, laying down those edges, because you know, you gotta stay cute in the streets. And I'm gonna apply the fake hair only to like the very front row of my hair and the very back, because I just wanted to thicken it up so it kind of blends with the bun we're gonna put on top that you're gonna see a little bit better. So now we're done with the front and the back, and you can kind of see how my parts are looking. They look pretty decent. So now we're about to get into the fun part, like the hack part of the title of the video. I just put my hair in a bun by itself, and then if you look, I'm just putting this hair tie on top of all of the hair. I'm not tying it, I'm just letting it, I don't know, be a hair tie. Yeah. So I'm taking the second pack of hair and I'm not unraveling the twist. I'm just knotting the twist onto just the hair tie. Commissioner! So here's a little close-up. I want to show you what I'm actually doing. I'm just opening the very top of the twist, putting the twist through, and it's going to knot onto the hair tie when you do it like that. So I use the entire pack of hair and I'm just going around and just knotting it onto the hair tie. And you'll see why in a second. So like it makes this really cool hair tie full of hair thing, so like I can take it on and off and I can hide my hair and it looks like I have actual twist, and you'll see in a second. So you're gonna see me struggle a little bit, only because I have brown tips in my actual hair, so like I have to make sure I strategically place this bun so you can't see the brown. But yeah, I just put the little hair tie full of hair back on my head, and I'm just kind of making it into this faux bun. This will definitely be easier if your hair is all black. You could just kind of wrap it and go. You'll be good to go. But of course I'm extra, and I dyed my hair like 30 times, and my ends are now brown. Yeah, so as you can see, I took it off, put it back on, and I'm just, I don't know, I think this is so cool. Like, I don't know. Yeah, like I said earlier, I do this hairstyle a lot when I know I'm gonna have a busy week and I'm not gonna have time to really do my hair the way I want it to be done. Yeah. Sometimes I'll even just wash my hair in the twist so I can just put it right back in this bun, because I know I won't have time during the week to do my hair, like to do a twist out and have it fully dry and all that stuff. So I don't know, I thought this was cool. I hope, I don't know, somebody uses it one day. Yeah. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm always really awkward when it comes to outros and intros. Drink your water, stay hydrated, like, comment, subscribe. I feel like I'm supposed to say that. And I'll see y'all in the next video.